The practice of orgtology to keep an organization both performing and relevant. Orgtologists work with its two essential parts, the concrete blueprint, or construct, and the abstract forces, or dynamics. The concrete blueprint of construct is not a physical structure, but a detailed organizational blueprint. It's the mathematical wiring of processes, projects, and relationships. A structure is physical and a manifestation of a construct, such as offices, equipment, products. These are outputs of this blueprint. During an organizational design project, an orgtologist will be tasked to craft the construct. Resources such as people, budgets, and assets bring the construct to life. There are three basic constructs that make an organization possible. They are the process construct, which focuses on operations and running the organization. The project construct, which focuses on strategy and changing the organization. The relationship construct, which focuses on making the organization meaningful. Dynamics, the abstract forces. Organizational dynamics are the human-driven elements that activate the construct. There are three core dynamics: intrapersonal, how individuals relate to themselves; interpersonal, how people interact with each other; and leadership, how leaders guide change and influence culture. People differ in how they perceive and engage with the organization's systems. This diversity determines when simplicity guides action and when complexity sparks innovation, directly shaping how the organization evolves. Together, these dynamics generate the X factor that disrupts routines and fuels adaptation. From dynamics to strategy, the quality of intrapersonal, interpersonal, and leadership dynamics directly affects operational efficiency and strategic effectiveness. Orgtologists align construct and dynamics so that organizational strategy both performs today and stays relevant for tomorrow.